To add number point to text in Word documents on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Microsoft 365, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select and then find Microsoft 365, open it. Next, select your Word document, for example this document, tap edit, and then select text you want to add number point, for example this text, and then select number icon, number point icon. You can see you can add number point in here, and then to remove you can tap icon again. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.